Hi, I'm Paul Higgins from Build, Live, Give, and we help corporate escapees to build both lifestyle and financial freedom. And this is our weekly tip. And today I want to run through setting up some checklists on having a demo call. So many of you do demonstrations, whether that be software or other parts of your business. And I just want to show you how you can use checklists to make it seamless for you and both the prospective client. And what we use is Asana, so you can set these up in other platforms, but we love using Asana for this. So what I've got here is broken it into sections. So I basically did a demonstration call. I took down each of the components, so the pre-call, the opening of the call, the background, the demo itself, and then some follow-up questions. So what I would use this for is for Copper, which is a brilliant sales CRM that integrates directly into Google. So when I'm doing it, I just go through and I basically just tick off each time I talk to a point, or I might actually add some comments in there. And what I do is I've just created a template. So sometimes I'll just tweak some improvements. So yesterday, for example, I had in here just to add some things around templates. So I can just quickly add it in here, and then what I do is if I wanted to start a new demonstration, I would just go add, I would go add project, and let's just go to projects. This is for paid Asana users. There is a way of doing it for free, so if you need some help on that, I can certainly show you. But all I do is just go use template, I just call it test, and then I go create, and then it basically creates the template, and it'll just take a little bit of time for all the fields to come in, but the fields end up looking exactly the same as this. And then yeah, I just use it. So I've got a dual screen. So I have my main screen, which goes through sharing my screen on the demonstration of Copper, and then I have this on my second screen, which I can tick off. So it just makes sure that I don't miss anything. So often I'll get to the end of the call in the past, and I might have missed mentioning some of the key things on the proposal. So, you know, who's best to sign it, because often it's not the person I'm doing the demonstration for, and also how urgent this is. And also, I'll remember after this to make sure that I'm getting their company address and also who else is involved in the decision to do the proposal. So those things you can continue to add to the checklist so that each time you get better and better at it. But, you know, and the great thing is that you're not a robot. You don't have to follow it step by step, but you can tick them off as you go as the conversation flows. So that is the tip for the week on how to use checklists to improve demonstrations, but this can also apply to other things. If you'd like to know more about our 5 rapid growth drivers, you can go to BLG08.com and you can get those 5 rapid growth drivers. Also, if you want to book a meeting to see how we could set up something like this for you, you just go to BLGmeeting.com, and if you got a value from this and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you think that there's other corporate escapees out there that could benefit from this, please share it with them. So I'm Paul Higgins from Build, Live, Give, where we help corporate escapees to find both lifestyle and financial freedom.